Hi y'all. Okay, this braid, I'm using 7/8 inch ribbon, 2 strips, and the way I put them together is shiny sides facing out with 1 staple here. So I'm gonna do blue here. Blue first, you take it and make a loop, just like that. And you kind of want to line it up here. Okay, and then you take the black and you just make it. Okay, sorry about that fall. Okay. So you take the black, loop it over just like that. And we're gonna take, once again, the blue. We're gonna loop it just like, oh, I'm sorry, we're gonna take the blue once again and loop it just like that. So you see, the flat side is facing up, and then we take the black and just kind of cover it. All right, so see that? That's the first set of loops. Now, a couple of things to make sure that you have it going right. They're gonna be offset just a little bit, almost like a ladder. Well, not really a ladder, but like if you think of like a vine or something. But they're just slightly offset. So I'm gonna go ahead and staple it here to stabilize it after we have 2 loops, okay? Right, now you don't have to worry about those coming undone or something like that. Okay, so then we're gonna take the next loop once again, just like that. Just try to keep it uniform. Okay, and you're gonna do the same here. So I was trying to keep it on the roll, but there's so many flipping and looping, it might be better to go ahead and cut this one off the roll first, but we'll see. So just like that. And follow along with the black right over it to cover it right up there, okay? So see, there you go. There's your next 2 set of loops. And I'm fine with them peeking out just a little bit there. Okay, so I've gotten all of this done. Let's see how many inches it is. That's 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, a little more than 21. And I think what I might do with this one is either put some bling here just down the center or add some loops for like a name chain. Okay, so I took this bling, it's actually iron-on, but I'm not gonna iron it. I'll just put some hot glue, and I'm gonna use this as like a strip, or I'm gonna let it hang as part of the ribbon as well. So I'm just letting my glue gun heat up a little bit first. All right, so I'm gonna put a little glue here at the base, attach it. Right, so it goes to the very end. And I'll add glue. Okay, and here it is hanging up. So, like I said, this is only about, I think we said 24 inches or something like that. So that's why I left it a little longer, so I can put it on a mum. And here's the loop braid. All right, thanks for watching.